Perched quietly above the waters of the Vranov Dam in the Czech countryside, this small wooden retreat reimagines what a compact vacation home can be. Designed by Prodesi Domesi, the cottage sits within a forested slope surrounded by greenery and views of the lake. At just about 61 square meters, the house appears modest from the outside, wrapped in darkened larch planks that help it blend naturally into its landscape. But behind that restrained exterior is a carefully crafted interior designed to make the most of every square inch. The story of the house begins with a family legacy. The owner inherited a small cottage from his grandfather that once stood on this exact site. Rather than replacing it entirely, the architects were asked to build a modern timber structure while respecting the footprint and foundations of the original building. This constraint became a key part of the design process. Working within the same compact dimensions, the architects approached the project almost like designing a piece of furniture, carefully considering how each space could serve multiple purposes. Inside, the concept takes inspiration from an unexpected place: the cabin of a ship. Just like in a boat, every corner of the interior is used efficiently, with hidden storage integrated into walls, seating, and built-in furniture. The spaces flow together in an open and interconnected layout, creating a sense of continuity rather than fragmentation. Even though the footprint is small, roughly 5 by 8.5 meters, the house manages to include a living room with views of the water, a dining area, a generous entry space, a pantry, a bathroom, and utility spaces on the ground floor. Wood plays a central role in shaping the atmosphere of the home. The interior is wrapped almost entirely in spruce, giving the rooms a warm and cohesive character that feels both modern and deeply connected to nature. Large windows frame the surrounding landscape and open views toward the water, allowing natural light to fill the compact interior. The contrast between the exterior and interior is particularly striking. From the outside, the house appears simple and almost utilitarian, while inside it reveals a surprisingly refined and carefully detailed living environment. Upstairs, the design becomes even more strategic. Instead of starting with the roof form, the architects first planned the bedrooms that the family needed, then shaped the roof around those spaces afterward. This reverse approach allowed them to keep the building as small as possible while still providing comfortable sleeping areas and a dressing space in the attic level. The result is a compact upper floor that offers privacy while maintaining the efficient, cabin-like organization seen throughout the house. What makes this cottage particularly interesting is how it challenges the idea that small homes must feel cramped. Through thoughtful planning, built-in storage, and a clear architectural concept, the house transforms its limitations into strengths. It blends quietly into a hillside of older cottages while offering a modern interpretation of a lakeside retreat. In the end, the project becomes less about size and more about precision, demonstrating how careful design can turn even the smallest footprint into a complete and comfortable living space.